Hi guys, this is Rob from DrupalNoobs.com and welcome to our fourth tutorial in which I'm going to show you how to create a new region in your template and place some blocks in it. Okay, first of all, what you want to do is fire up your FileZilla or your other FTP client and connect to your website. And you want to go to your sites all themes folder. In the previous tutorial we showed you how to install a theme and we installed the Denland theme. So what you want to do is just drag and drop this. I'm going to place it on, let's see, my desktop like this. And you want to fire up a text editor. You have a notepad on your Windows installation, and in macOS you also have a notepad. I don't exactly know how it's called in macOS. I'm using TextMate, which is a very nice editor, but you can use anything you like. We're just gonna open that. What I'm going to do is just drag and drop the Denland folder into that. You will see the nice thing about TextMate is you can always see the folder structure and easily navigate to the different files in your template. The first thing you want to do is open the .info file. Every template has one and it's called the template name .info. So we just click that. And what we can see here is different regions. A lot of regions already exist, but in this tutorial we want to show you how to create your own region. And you can do this by just typing regions, opening the brackets, and we just gonna call this the test region. Make sure you only use the lower underscore, not symbols like this or this. Just keep it this way. And this is called the test region. Then you want to save this. And we're going to open the page.tpl. Lots of code, lots of PHP and HTML code. But where we are looking for is how to print a region, and as we saw in the previous file, there were a lot of regions already available, and you can always just search for one that exists to see which code you have to use, like this, with the print page highlighted. And when we open the denland.info file again, we will see regions highlighted. So when we just copy this piece, PHP piece, copy it. In this case, I'm just gonna put this in the header wrapper. I have no idea how this will look. Put in a div class, call this test, paste the code, /div, and we put here the test region. That's all you have to do. You're using the name from the left side, this one. Okay, we're just gonna save this. Open up FileZilla, and we're just gonna upload denland.info, override it, and the page.tpl, and also override that. Now when we go to our website, there's one thing you have to remember, and that's very important. It's when you change your .info file, you always have to clear the cache. You can do this by going to Configuration, Performance, and clear all caches. In this way, Drupal refreshes all the files and will detect the new regions. Alright, great. Next thing we want to do is create a new block. This can be done by going to Structure, Blocks, Add Block. And we're gonna give this a title. If you don't want Drupal to print a title for your block, then you put in none, like this. Then it will be hidden. In this case, we're just gonna call this test. Put in a block description for the administration team. We're just gonna call this test block. And we're gonna put in some text. Make this bold. Now you will see that we have the Denland default theme, and when we click here we can select the regions, and when we scroll down we see the test region we just created. So we're gonna click that. Then we have the visibility settings. You can use this for multiple purposes. The first one, show block on specific pages, all pages except those listed. So when I'm going to put in, like, I have a node, node 7, when I put in node/7, it will not appear on that page. If I select only the listed pages, it will only appear on node/7. If you want to show it only on the front page, an example, then you put in front. You can also just show a block only for certain content types, but we will get to that later. Roles and users. Now we're just gonna save this. Click exit. And there you have it, test. This is a test block. In this theme you will see an edit button right there. So when we click this and configure block, we can easily change it. If I put in none, save block, you will see there's no title. Alright, again, when we're going to structure blocks, you see that Drupal has some blocks from itself. Also, when you install certain modules, you will they will generate blocks, and you can put it in regions like this. In the footer, we have the Powered by Drupal block, for instance. When I just drag this to the top, or not the top, maybe I just want it above the main content, and I save this. You will see it will appear right here. Also, a nice feature is when you open up your page.tpl, and you will see, like, in this case, there's some extra PHP code around the region print. And this is done because we only want to print this div if there's content in that region. So you can just put this and the end if statement around the test region we just created, and then the div class test will only show up when there's content in the test region, which keeps your code clean. When the test div has some styling around it, then you don't want that to appear when nothing is printed in your region. Well, that's the basic steps of creating a block, creating a region, and how to use blocks in Drupal 7. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or like the video. Check out our website www.drupalnoobs.com, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye guys.